Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can cover up your face on Berry Avenue. Oh, not the best driver. I'm just going to go to the Berry High School area. I'm just going to park. And I'm just going to walk in here. Alright, so you are going to go to your avatar here. You can also use the uniforms that they have. Just wear outfit like that. This one as well. I do like this one the best though. Anyways, go to your avatar and then you're going to maybe go to the menu, clothing, and then on head you're going to type maybe like paper bag, and then you're just going to select the one you want to use to cover your face. There's a bunch of options. This one's cute, I guess. Press done, and that is it really. You can kind of create a role play from this fit on Berry Avenue. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. I'm also going to remove the hair like that. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.